According to a news source, Samsung is planning something far greater than expected in July. Not just the Galaxy Z Fold 8, but an entirely new wide foldable too. And to be honest, that's not even the most interesting part. There's more. The S Pen might be making a comeback. It was secretly eliminated with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 last year in order to reduce the device's thickness. While the choice made mechanical sense, it did not sit well with veteran admirers. Samsung appears to be preparing to address this issue. According to the source, the S Pen could return shortly after the wide foldable is unveiled. The exact timing is still unclear, but the goal is plain. According to the Korea Economic Times, Samsung plans to have its next Unpacked event in London on July 22nd. A global stage once again demonstrates how serious Samsung is about its foldables. And if this is accurate, we might see both the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the long-rumored large foldable unveiled together. A moment that could quietly transform Samsung's whole portfolio. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is beginning to feel real. Not simply another rumor or concept. With a debut date of July 2026, the picture is gradually coming shape. Leak after leak, detail after information, and now even pricing is coming into the spotlight. According to a fresh report from X provided by the Glock, Samsung is pursuing a tried-and-true tactic. The future product, like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, could be released in 3 different configurations. One has 12 GB of memory and 256 GB of storage. Another has 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, while the top-tier version has 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Despite the upgrades and growing expenditures, Samsung may maintain the previous prices of $1,999, $2,199, and $2,499.